So in this section we are talking about something about mental emotional balance for people who have fire or pitta in them. Now, if you have done the section or our course where you have worked out your body type, then you do know about pitta. If not, go ahead and do that. That will be there in our academy, where you can find that particular course, and you can look at what is your body type. It's a free course, and you can do that and find out about it, about your body type. And so now, what are the kind of things that will be a pitta, somebody who has got too much fire, they will be experiencing? What will be the triggers? These are the kind of things we are talking about it. So pitta is related to fire. So what kind of things will be emotionally, for example, or in mental emotional, it will be related to anger, irritation, frustration, resentment. They're fiery kind of emotions, and so that is what you will be experiencing. And then what could be the trigger? It could be, another thing that we have spoken about pitta is fire and sharpness. So if somebody else around you or everything around you is slow, that will bring that irritation. Why everybody is so slow? Why can't they move at my my pace? Forgetting that not everybody is going to go through at the same pace as the fire, because they're quick, they're sharp, they understand things, and kind of this waiting game can be quite bringing that vata, pitta, which will show up as anger, irritation, frustration, or resentment about the environment or with the people. So that is something that pitta is triggered by. I keep going and saying vata, but in this section I'm talking about pitta. So now, and it can come through the foods. For example, if you're eating very fiery kind of foods, imagine it is summertime and you're eating a lot of hot chili curries. It may bring more fire in the body, and that may bring aggravation, which may lead to imbalance. So that could be a trigger point, what kind of foods I'm eating. Now, and how do I overcome that? So if I'm feeling like that, then again, there are various ways we can have cooling kind of foods, which we will talk about in the food section later on, by the way. And then, or we can have cooling kind of exercises. For example, you can go swimming. That will be good for you if you have those fire emotions that are troubling you. And so these are or you can have cooling kind of foods. So these are some of the things that you can do about your mental emotional balance, bringing calm in you when there is too much pitta is going on around you, or too much fire is burning you emotionally, so to speak.